Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending October 5th of 2025, the stock was Bull, B-U-L-L, and it was traded bullishly, by the way. This happened on October 3rd, which was Friday. This is based on a DTS daily buy setup with an entry on a 1-minute DTS buy setup. Reward to risk was 1.3 to 1 management advanced. While it wasn't a huge winner, I did a presentation on Thursday. We had a lot of great trades over the last couple of weeks. I did a presentation Thursday called Just Some Great Trades. I went over those. I didn't want to reuse that for the trade of the week. And while this was not as big of a profit as any of the others, it happened all in about 30 minutes, which is not my goal, but it was kind of nice. And it also was unique for a couple of ways I'm going to explain in just 1 second. First of all, for free members this week, we have the bi-weekly scanning night, Monday night. If you're a DTS member, you will get your invites. If you're not, head over to the DTS homepage and you can find out where you can become a free member. Second, then on Wednesday, the 6th of October, we're going to have the educational event for DTS. Is going to be the top 3 highlights. I'm going to take some of my favorite topics from 3 of the events over the last few years, not including the ones that are on the free stuff page because you all see those all the time. And I'm going to expand on those. These were topics that I think were favorites based on feedback I get back from people and questions that I get. On to the trade. This is the daily chart of Bull. This happened to be presented to me by a member of the room. I did not have this on my list. Members sometimes before we open give their comments or ideas. And this was a good one. I liked it. It went right to the hot list and ended up being the main trade that day. Happened very quickly, early entry, and also out in about 30 minutes just because of the way it traded and because of the fact the market was coming in very hard. So there's a daily chart. This is kind of a heart of the trade to me, even though it's a day trade. It's going to get that pop because of where we are in the daily chart if it gets going. So we're going to open right there. There's the daily chart afterwards. It traded down a little bit, and then of course we captured that move up that happened in the first 30 minutes, and then it fell the rest of the day, so we had really good exit on that one. Hourly chart doesn't show you a whole lot more. We're going to open right there. You can see the bottoming tails where we entered, ran up to here, got out, and then it fell the rest of the day. Here's the 5-minute chart where you get to see a little more information. Opening right there. It fell first. I got in down in there somewhere over 1452 through the stop down to under 1430. Went pretty tight on this one, which I'm glad I did because that rally was all that there was. Took some off at 1482. It was a trail under 1483 and then target 2. It went a little higher and then trailed the rest under 1489. You'll see some more detail on the 1-minute chart since this all happened. It was a very early entry and it happened all the opening 30 minutes. The 1-minute chart is where you see the most information. Entry during that first minute. We opened there, we fell, and as we came back, I got in again over 1452. It ended up pulling back, and I could have had a better entry, but you never know that. It could have taken off as well. I thought it was going to take off, so that's okay. Held the stop, rallied, big rally, trailed some under there, 1482. And when we made that new high, the market started to come in. I just trailed it under there. Could have trailed a little better maybe, but I also wanted to give it a chance to go higher because the daily chart was involved. All happened in 30 minutes. Not usually my expectation, but when it happens, you got to take it. DTS Trading Room. If you like trades like this, come join us. Not your typical room. You can email me if you have any questions about it, and also visit the website. Look under services, and you can get a detailed description of what the room is exactly. And with the potential change to the pattern day trader rule, if you're not sure about that, go to the homepage of DTS. You can listen to a quick video about that. I think day trading has become more of a popular trading event than it has been in the past, because of opening the door to so many new people. So come join us in the room now. And if you like videos like this, you can also visit the free stuff page and visit other Trade of the Week videos, as well as prior educational events. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.